Financial inclusion is access at an affordable cost for all consumers, including micro, small, and medium enterprises, to financial products and services. Financial services that meet their savings, credit, and insurance needs are hard to come by. This makes it difficult for low-income earners and MSMEs to meet their financial needs, such as managing their money, sending money to family, receiving money, or make daily transactions and payments. Delivered in a responsible and sustainable way, financial inclusion helps reduce income inequality and contributes to economic growth. Globally, about 2 billion of the adult population do not have a bank account and are excluded from formal financial systems. 41% of MSMEs, collectively the largest employers in many low-income countries, report access to finance in the least developed countries as a major constraint to their growth and development. In Southern African development community countries, about 45 million people, most of whom are women, are without access to financial services. There are still difficulties for many who are banked. In the Democratic Republic of Congo, 70% of the population have no bank or ATM within a 30-minute walk from their homes. In Swaziland, only 6%, or about 3,500 MSME owners, rely exclusively on banking services. At the same time, 11%, around 6,600 MSME owners, rely only on informal mechanisms such as savings groups and loan sharks. The picture is the same across the region. This highlights a crucial fact. We have the Internet of everything, but not the inclusion of everyone. FinMark Trust is an independent market facilitator, making financial markets work for the poor by promoting financial inclusion and regional financial integration. FinMark Trust plays a catalytic role, initiating processes of change that ultimately lead to the development of inclusive financial systems that can benefit all consumers. FinMark Trust utilizes its regional footprint and independence as a player to effect change in several ways. By using demand-side data analytics, research, and evidence for better product development from financial institutions, FinMark Trust effects evidence-based advocacy to financial service providers, policymakers, and regulators. By convening stakeholders around key market challenges, FinMark Trust is able to find evidence-based solutions. In addition, FinMark Trust provides technical assistance and facilitates innovation such as digital and mobile financial services, credit information, and the use of data for better regulation and product development. Through its Making Access Possible partnership with the UNCDF, FinMark Trust provides support to SADC countries to help them develop and implement national financial inclusion strategies. This is currently being done in 7 SADC countries: Lesotho, Swaziland, Malawi, Zimbabwe, Madagascar, Botswana, and the DRC. The Eye-to-Eye program in FinMark Trust looks to improve the relevance, quality, and sustainability of financial inclusion surveys. New measurement frameworks to measure financial needs, usage, uptake drivers, and financial health outcomes are being developed and piloted in several countries, along with SMS-based mobile surveys to measure top-line financial inclusion indicators. FinMark Trust has made impactful change in the field of financial inclusion. Some examples are FinScope, the first demand-side survey globally, which has been implemented in 29 countries across Africa and Asia. FinScope MSME has been conducted in 7 countries in the SADC region, including South Africa. FinMark Trust shaped the M4P approach, making markets work for the poor, to financial inclusion globally. FinMark Trust worked with regulators to create cheaper and more affordable remittance corridors between South Africa and SADC countries, and partnered with ShopRite to implement a remittance product in Lesotho, which has in over 2 years transferred 386 million rand, most of the recipients in Lesotho being women. This work also involves working with regulators to ensure that anti-money laundering and counter-financing of terrorism regulations do not further exclude the poor from formal financial services. FinMark Trust supported SADC central banks with the establishment of a wholesale cross-border payment settlement system, the SADC Integrated Regional Electronic Settlement System. which has in 2 years settled 1.3 trillion rand between SADC countries, thereby reducing the cost and time taken for these transfers. Going forward, FinMark Trust will continue its impactful work supporting financial inclusion for consumers and MSMEs and the development of inclusive financial markets to reduce poverty in line with the Sustainable Development Goals.